Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we are going to be doing some blank-to-bank technical analysis on a cryptocurrency that has absolutely popped off because Orbs has rallied 672% in the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, Orbs has moved all the way from 3.5 cents to where it's currently trading of 29 cents. So in today's video, we're going to be breaking down whether or not this is a cryptocurrency that you should consider buying into and investing in and riding to the moon. So without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Before we get further into the video, let's talk about Bybit, the best and most reliable trading platform. Bybit is great about helping you stay up to date on real-time market fluctuations, keeping you informed on what your crypto is doing. Your funds are securely stored in a multi-signature cold wallet. This allows for collections and withdrawals to be made via offline signatures. If you're looking for a great trading platform, you can get connected by using our Bybit affiliate link down below. From the analysis that I've done on Orbs, this seems to be a project which aims to help Ethereum with its scalability issue. As you guys know, we've talked about here on the channel quite a bit that Ethereum is struggling with a transactional scalability issue. What that means in English is that Ethereum is struggling to be able to process all the transactions that it needs to process. Orbs seems to be a cryptocurrency that is trying to help that infrastructure to be able to handle the capacity that it needs to handle to become a widely adopted platform. On top of that, Orbs is aiming at being a cryptocurrency upon which other decentralized applications can be built. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chart and see if this is a cryptocurrency that we would want to buy into. Well, here we can see the chart of Orbs over Bitcoin, and we can see that Orbs has absolutely moonshot in the last week. In fact, we're up over 800% in the last 7 days if you include the top of the wick. On candle bodies, we're up around 670 to 700%. And before moving forward, I just need to go ahead and answer the question at the center of this video, even before we talk about the chart here, because the answer to should you buy Orbs right now is almost certainly no, you should not. And the reason for that is because when you see a cryptocurrency rally 7, 8, 900% in a week, I don't care what the project is doing, it means it's overbought. It means it's rallied too far, and if you get into it, you might be buying the top, and you very well may lose a massive amount of money because the cryptocurrency has rallied too fast, too far. This is not a slight against the fundamentals of Orbs. Orbs might be the next big thing. It might be the Ethereum killer. It might take over the entire decentralized application platform. It might actually provide scalability solutions for Ethereum that will be mass adopted. I don't know. I'm not an expert on the fundamentals of Orbs, but what I can tell you is this. Should you buy into Orbs right now? I personally don't think so. Let me show you why. Right now, we can see that Orbs has an RSI of 97. For context, in the entire history of Bitcoin, the absolute highest that Bitcoin's RSI has ever gone to was 97. And the very next day, Bitcoin would drop 61%. On top of that, we can see that the MACD on the entire history of the Orbs BTC chart is absolutely ridiculous. We've seen such a massive rally in MACD that the MACD is completely unreadable and absolutely useless to our analysis because it's corrupted by a massive pump and dump. Looking at the last year on Orbs, we can see that this movement completely dwarfs anything we have ever seen in this cryptocurrency. And guys, it really comes down to this. When you see a cryptocurrency move this fast, this far, you can be almost certain that you're going to see a quick reversal. Is Orbs going to maintain up here around 30 cents? Time will tell on that. Should you buy into it? Is it a good idea? No, in my opinion, it is not. Why is that? I'll tell you why. Because even though we cannot make any predictions for absolute certain in technical analysis, we can only work in the realm of probability. Remember, guys, technical analysis is like counting cards. You want to put the odds so that they may ever be in your favor. Can you tell I read the Hunger Games or watched the Hunger Games last night? I did. Great movie. Anyway, point is that technical analysis is about putting the odds in our favor. It's not about being right every single time. So when we say that Orbs is more than likely going to have a big correction, unless some major development has happened on Orbs that I have not seen in my analysis, my research moving into this video, I see absolutely no reason that Orbs should have just rallied 800% other than that it may have just gone through a massive pump and dump. So I'm making this video directed at all of our newer cryptocurrency traders and investors. If you buy into this market, you're falling victim to something that we call FOMO. That's the fear of missing out. If you're buying into this market, it's almost certainly not because of the fundamentals or the backing project behind this cryptocurrency. It's almost certainly because you see a massive green number and you're hoping that the market is going to go farther to the upside so you can make a bunch of money. But unfortunately, that's not how this works. It is actually far more likely than not that Orbs is going to have a major correction here. So the question answered in this video is no. I don't personally believe that it's a good idea to buy into this cryptocurrency. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy today's video, consider telling us what you thought in the comments section down below. And also consider liking and subscribing to the channel because we post a ton of content on this channel multiple times a day. Consider following us on Instagram and Twitter at CryptoJeb. That's going to wrap it out for today's video, guys. But before I go, I do just first want to thank thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.